when a woman comes out of the house, primarily it's not just for her own career. It is for overall betterment of the household. वो पूरे खानदान की बेहतरी के लिए निकलती है. And we know that the decisions that they take are also around education and health for the family. So, Pakistan being one of the places where women participation stays very low. अभी तक यहाँ पे हमारा जो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम की रिपोर्ट है उसके हिसाब से हम बहुत लो रेट होते हैं इन द 148 countries in terms of women participation. It's only 24% of women who are participating in the workforce. So there is a big need in terms of really inspiring women to come out and for the organizations to play their role in order to make sure that that happens. In my opinion, there are two key areas which we need to work upon. One is capability development. किस तरीके से हम capabilities develop कर रहे हैं for women to take on key roles और वही right decision हो for those roles, for those organizations. So, एक capability development का area and the other one is how we are making the whole environment safe for them to come out and work. Because it's not just the place where she works. The way she takes, जो रास्ता है वो लेके आ रही है, जो transportation है, all of that needs to be, there has to be an ecosystem around all of this that fixes it for them. And then I think it's all about mindset also. We need to change the mindset of the society. We need to normalize women working, and we need to normalize women coming out of the house and playing their role towards economic development. So basically, L'Oreal Pakistan is playing its role on 4 key aspects. So 4 बड़े प्रोग्राम हैं जो फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम्स जिनको हम कहते हैं, जिसके तहत हम पाकिस्तान में women in workforce और women empowerment के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. Number 1 is our professional academy. Under this professional academy, there are about already 8,000 plus women जो professional beauty education लेके either they are doing their own work via their own business और कहीं पे काम करके they are earning livelihoods. दूसरा बड़ा प्रोग्राम एक हमारा डिजिटल लिटरेसी प्रोग्राम है जिसके अंदर almost 27,000 women already इसमें इसके थ्रू हो चुकी हैं एजुकेट, और उसके अंदर वो लिटरेसी और बिजनेस एजुकेशन, डिजिटल लिटरेसी और बिजनेस एजुकेशन हम एम्पावर करते हैं. उसके बाद a program that I'm personally very proud of, it is a stand-up program, we call it, stand-up against free street harassment, जिसके अंदर हम 47,000 trainings impart कर चुके हैं, both women and men, primarily to how to conduct themselves in order to understand कि street harassment अगर हो रही है तो वो क्या है और फिर वो किस तरीके से अपना रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं in terms of ensuring कि ये चीज़ ना हो. सो जो हमारा चौथा प्रोग्राम है वो ब्यूटी फॉर बेटर लाइफ प्रोग्राम है, जिसके अंडर ऑलरेडी 115 अंडर प्रिविलेज, जिसके अंदर एसिड अटैक विक्टिम्स, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस विक्टिम्स पूरी ब्यूटी एजुकेशन लेके एंड दे आर ऑल्सो अर्निंग देयर लाइवलीहुड थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम. सबसे पहले तो हमें अपनी सोसाइटी की रियलिटीज़ को समझना होगा. Women in a certain point in their life when they have children, etc., they want to spend time with them. So we normalize this. We have a maternity policy. Alongside with that, we have a policy for school pickups, etc., to make sure that they are comfortable, and work from home policies. So all of this, number one, is to make the environment such that it's comfortable for them to work and manage home at the same point in time. Then one very critical aspect that we ensure at L'Oreal is women in leadership. So इस वक्त 40% of my leadership team, my N-1 and the key managers are women. So that women are taking decision for women and making the policies and taking those leadership role to understand this fully. फिर सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, देन देर आर सर्टन रोल्स इन आर बिजनेसेस जिसको स्टिग्मा कर दिया गया है कि ये मेन रोल है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल सेल्स, सप्लाई चेन, वेयर हाउसिंग एक्सेट्रा. सो वी मे इंश्योर that we normalize those roles for women to take, and then give them that environment that they can take those roles and work as effectively as a male counterpart in those roles also. And this is how we are building that ecosystem. For women to be comfortable and working, सबसे बड़ा काम मर्दों पे करने की ज़रूरत होती है. So we have a full DE&I training for men, so that they understand how what are the key aspects where they need to give the right support and work together in the best, most effective way. फिर one key other element around this whole area is in terms of normalizing the gender roles. हमारे मुल्क में एक कंसिडरेशन ये होती है कि जी घर के काम है तो वो खातून करेगी, या बच्चे की ख्याल है तो वो खातून रखेंगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव अ पैटर्निटी पॉलिसी, that we give time off to fathers also, so that they play the role in terms of taking care of a child and play active role in the household chores. And then overall, L'Oreal, I'm very proud about this fact that 40% of our leadership is women. And that is why it is relatively easier for us to kind of understand these challenges and work together alongside with them in terms of really making the ecosystem for the whole women workforce within L'Oreal to work better and get policies around their needs and wants. देखें, एक तरीका तो ये है कि इंडस्ट्री के अंदर in each industry there are different sort of challenges. एनर्जी के challenges versus consumer product industry के challenges बहुत मुख्तलिफ है. So industry specific circles can be one area in which industry can talk themselves कि जी हमारे specific challenges पे ज़्यादा focus discussion कि किस तरीके से हम अपना role play कर सकते हैं. So एक तो ये important element है. And then I think the propagation of playbooks कि ये इस तरीके से इस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज को आप लोग मिलके या इस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज को फेस करने का एक अच्छा तरीका ये है कि इस तरीके से इसको रिजॉल्व कर लें. तो एक प्लेबुक आ जाती है आपके पास, उसकी प्रोपगेशन हो जाती है, तो आपको पता है कि जी इस तरीके से इस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज को किया जा सकता है. और तीसरा की एलिमेंट है बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस शेयरिंग कैन बी अ बिट मोर थ्रू विच अगर एक इंडस्ट्री ने या एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने कोई अच्छे तरीके से चैलेंजेस को फेस करके उसके अगेंस्ट अपना सोल्यूशन डेवलप किया है तो बाकी उसको ईजिली अडॉप्ट कर ले. लॉरियल वर्क्स वेरी क्लोजली विद वेमेन. हमारी कंज्यूमर्स ख़वातीन हैं, हमारे बिजनेस पार्टनर्स ख़वातीन हैं. सो वी हैव अ वेरी गुड आइडिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ टू वर्क एट अ ग्रास रूट लेवल विद देम. So that is something that we can bring to the table. And then, of course, Champions of Change has is a global coalition. So there is global best practices from their side also. And combining these together can be a very effective way in which we can bring about the change.